the vlog. So, I've been super MIA kasi naka-lock in kami sa Iloilo and sa Bacolod. Pero tinake ko na yung opportunity na mag-vlog today because meron kaming content shoot para sa the loyalty game and it's also our MediaCon. Yay! So, malapit na siyang umere and I'll just take you guys with me today. At pakilala ko kayo sa cast at sa ating permanent guest, si Echo. Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go. Hi guys! So, welcome back to Janine's vlog. It's a vlog takeover. Alam ko, wag mo naman akong pagmukhang tanga sa harap nila. Guys, grabe siya. Pinagmumukha niya akong tanga. Hanapin natin si Janine. Kasi vlog niya to eh. Let's go, let's go! Andun sila. Nag-video na sila. Ayan siya. Ayan, tumingin na siya. This is my guest for today's vlog.
I cried because nakita ko si Jay nagpa-vlog. So, I cried.
Hindi niya in-expect na.
Hindi ko in-expect na sobrang gagalingan mo na naman sa pagpa-vlog. So, thank you.
Hi, hello po.
Oh, hi.
Hi, ready na ang pinakbet. Let's go. Ano, tara?
Tara! Guys, napanood niyo na ba yung The Loved One? Ayun si Eric ko. Halika guys, kausapin natin si Eric ng The Loved One. Ikaw po ba si Eric ng The Loved One?
Yes, minintay lang ako.
Ah, okay, sige. Babalik na lang ako. Ay, ako ba? Okay.
So, I'm back guys. Nakatulog na ako. Natulog ako habang nag-roll sila. I sleep like a baby. This is my baby.
Ma?
That's my baby. She's a... iPhone case.
Ngayon, picture na tayo kasi the most important part of any event or shoot is the BTS of Antea. Yes!
Today.
Hindi gusto ko gawin tong TikTok na.
Tapos iganan mo yung shot.
Okay guys, we're done with the content shoot and now you will get ready for the MediaCon. Here we have with us Jericho Rosales, who plays Ben in the loyalty game.
I place number 1 in your heart.
Yun lang, we'll get ready. I guess mamaya na tayo mag-ikot to talk to the girls because wala pa sila. Yes. Yeah, I have to vlog because I owe it to my viewers and subscribers na magsalita dito at hindi lang puro si Jay. So we've been shooting 3 months na ata. Okay, hindi ganahan ulit ako. We've been shooting since March ba? March, April, May. Hi, diba?
This is our producer.
Ay, may meeting si Echo.
Meeting kami.
Okay. Lagot, principal's office. Okay, wait lang guys. Magte-TikTok ako kasi I need to do better. So, I'll be back in 1 minute.
Papaaraw talaga tayo. Kasali ka, di ba?
Kasali ko!
Ako, tao lang ako. Manual lang to pa.
Masaya pag may bakla.
Masaya pag may bakla.
Masaya pag may bakla.
Masaya pag may bakla.
Masaya pag may bakla. Sarcastic? Sunog na yung mukha ko. Masaya pag may bakla. Sarcastic.
Masaya pag may bakla.
Flirty. Masaya pag may bakla. Ay, parang hindi.
Masaya pag may bakla.
Masaya pag may bakla.
Bakit mo naman mag-flirt?
Masaya pag may bakla! Okay guys, this is the outfit. We're wearing patiang. It is another patiang. And same beauty kasi ayaw na ni Jay mag-change ng hair. Ginalingan na nila kanina yung hair and makeup ko. So, pang buong araw na siya. Di ba, Antea?
May
Yes.
isang paraan para sirain ang napakagandang dress na to.
Sana.
Ay, ganito!
So medyo na-delay yung schedule Kasi may technical difficulties daw yung venue. So, nadagdagan tayo ng 1 hour of chikahan featuring Jay and MJ and Anthea and our newest guest, Noreen. Kaway ka naman sa camera, Noreen. Hindi siya pinapawisan. Paki-zoom na lang po yung noon niya. What lesson did the loyalty game teach you?
Love. This is concerning yung mga long-term relationship. Diba usually, what's your secret? Diba usually, it's about love, acceptance, ganyan-ganyan. Of course, it's
Given.
about, given na yung love eh. But the love changes. The person you're with, parang is not the same person 10 years ago.
Oh my gosh, I've heard this before and I think it's so good.
It's so true, especially for us, mga babae, because ang daming nangyayari sa ating mga hormonal changes. So, kung kunyari, tanungin mo si Zoren, ganyan ba si Carmina when she was like in her 20s? Ang sagot na hindi. Because I had different priorities. The getting to know each other stage should not end. You really have to be curious with your partner all the time. Ano kaya siya ngayon, no? Bakit kaya siya ganito? And always choose your partner still.
Love is a choice.
Love is a choice. It is a choice.
Ito na, again, for the most important part, Anthea's picture. Yun lang.
Kahit nga mag-cartwheel ka, wala po.
How do you know when it's time to let go?
Pag hindi ka na masaya, na imbes na parang susuyuin mo, wala ka ng gana, bitaw na siguro. Yun. It's hard, it's tough, pero wala, minsan kailangang mag-let go para pumasok yung blessing pa.
Amen.
Hungry ka? Order ka. Parilin mo. See your friends again.
So may flash siya.
Bumili rin ako niya, may ganyan ako. Parang araw gagamitin ko din. Hey, Fuji.
Have you ever forgiven a betrayal and was it worth it?
Yes and yes. Mapagpatawad talaga ako eh. Pero tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, hindi na same yung trust. Siguro kung umpisa pa lang sumuko na ako, hindi nangyari yung magandang nangyari.
Worth second chance. Yung third, pag-isipan na lang natin.
Doon na tayo mag-ingat.
Doon na tayo mag-isip-isip. So, alam nyo na guys.
I do the cooking, yes, I do the cleaning.
Guys, if you look behind me, pwede natin i-recreate dito yung eksena ni Mama sa feng shui. Yung hinabol siya ng itak. Di ba, Mimi? Dali, acting tayo. Ako si Lotlot. Acting sana ako ng feng shui. Welcome is to me. Action. Thank you. Bow. What's one relationship red flag that you've experienced?
Being rushed into things by the person. Ganun, yun ba? Yun ba yung ibig
Tama,
sabihin?
tama. Yeah, that is a red flag. Kung hindi pa hinog, wag mo munang kainin.
Huwag mo lagay sa buro. Tama ba, buro? Kalburo. Hindi ako fan ng kalburo.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Magandang
Okay,
babala.
ito po ang poll namin today. Babala o babala?
Babala.
Babala.
Babala. Thank you.
Okay. Most welcome.
Bye.
Baka mamagsak. Sinabi ko, yung hashtag ko, gorgeous hair. Sabi pa naman niya, sino nag-isip niyan? I'm done.
Ipaliwanag mo paano mo naisip.
Wala, bakit? Bakit?
Would you rather know the truth or protect your peace?
I would rather tell the truth. No, I would rather know the truth. Ang hirap kasi sa self-esteem yung ginagawa kong tao.
Yes, agree. Oh my God. Sinabi yan ng best friend ko sa akin. Sabi niya dati, alam mo, pag hinayaan mo na ginaganyan ka, yung self-esteem mo, maaapekto ka. Hindi ko naisip yun.
Diba? So parang for myself lang. Doon na lang tayo sa truth. For the rip the bandage na.
Based on experience ba to?
Experience, growth, maturity.
Yes! So guys, as you can see, this is Sophia Andres. She plays Beth in the Loyalty Game. Charot. In your experience, can love survive betrayal?
Ba't for yung pinili ko?
Can love survive betrayal?
Sige, mag-holding hands tayo. Magsasagot. Sige, go.
Yeah, I think so. Kaya yung sinagot ko kanina though, like, when I love someone, I feel like it's unconditional. I give chances. Yeah. Based from my experience,
Yeah.
That's why sumasagad ako. It's either 100 tapos 0. Parang kung gusto ko. Kung ayaw ko na ayaw.
Okay.
I give everything.
Okay.
So, betray mo ako bukas. It's okay.
Wag naman! Kami talaga yung love team dito, actually. Thank you po, Beth. Thank you so much for your time. Salamat. Anong oras na? Fresh ka pa ba? Ginawa namin tong makeup to ng 9 a.m. and now it's 7 p.m. Oh, alam nyo na, gandang Antea. Muy bueno. Hashtag muy bueno. Payag ka ba sa hashtag? Hindi siya payag sa hashtag niya, guys. Dapat kasing bongga ng gorgeous hair. Have you ever asked for a second chance?
Actually, oo.
Talaga?
Yes. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na bakit nga. No?
Naging good ba yon na binigyan ka ng second chance?
Yes. Yes, binigyan naman ng second chance. But I think, depende rin kasi you have to know why you're asking for a second chance. Parang there's always gonna be lamat.
Parang di mo na rin alam kung out of the goodness of their heart pa. Thank you! Happy to work with you again after Dirty Linen. Salamat. Ito na, work na tayo.
Welcome to the Loyalty Game Media Presentation. Ako po si FJ Felipe. I'll be your host for tonight. My question is, are you ready to play the Loyalty Game?
And that's it for today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me. The Loyalty Game is streaming on Prime Video starting July 3. Sana panoorin nyo at magustuhan nyo. Thank you so much for always hanging out dito sa vlog. See you guys. Until next time. Mwah!